Okay, so we're done with question number one, question number two. Let's move on to question number three. We'll do five questions here and then we'll move on to some difficult parts. So, we've done a positive gradient, we've done a negative gradient. If I say draw a graph of y equals to 2, y equals to 2 means, this actually means y equals to 0 into x plus 2. Yes or no? Because 0 into anything is going to be 0. So the gradient here is going to be 0, right? Whenever you see y equals to 2, the gradient has to be 0. Understood? And the y-intercept is going to be 2. Now, is this a horizontal line or a vertical line? That is what you have to judge. The gradient is 0. There is no slope. It's the line is not sloping. So it's going to be a horizontal line or a vertical line. I'll ask you some questions. Hold on. So if this is y-axis, this is the x-axis, you have the origin, and I say this is 2. Where is the 2 for y? Can I say the 2 for y, 2 on the y-axis is here? Here somewhere? Yes or no? And because the line has no slope, it has to be a horizontal line. So this line is y equals to 2. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Next is
Yes, sir.
question number 4. So it's 2y this time equals to 4x minus 3. Now, the two conditions that you have to follow in order to find out the gradient and the y-intercept is to make y the subject of the formula. To make y the subject of the formula means you will have to make sure that y is on one side and there is no coefficient attached to y except 1. So, you make this 2 is being multiplied with y. When you take it away, you divide the whole equation by 2. So this 2 and this 2 is gone. You're left with y on the left hand side. 2 1 times and 2, 2 times. That's 2x minus 3 over 2. Can I call this 1 over, well, sorry, 3 over 2 is 1.5. Yes or no? You can write it down as 2x minus 3 over 2 or y equals to 2x minus 1.5. That's absolutely okay. Kuch bhi likho, that doesn't matter whether you place it in decimals or not. Now that you have the coefficient of y is 1, what is the coefficient attached to x?
4.
So this will
2.
be your gradient. And with the sign, what is C here? Minus 3 over 2. If I am to draw the graph, I'll use the graph. Uh, does the graph have a positive gradient or negative gradient?
There are positive gradient.
A positive gradient, but a negative y-intercept, right? So it has to be upward sloping, but it has to cut. Say, let's say this is minus 1. Say this is minus 2. This is minus 1.5. Do all of you agree? Right in the middle of minus 1 and minus 2. This is going to be your y-intercept here. And then because it's an upward sloping graph, why? Because the gradient is positive, it has to be somewhat like this. Yes or no? Do
Yeah.
all of you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Good stuff. Come on.
Yeah.
Now, this table is over. Let's do some basic questions. Same process, but without the graphical representation. Okay. So now we move on to this thing. Questions. State the gradient and the y-intercept. And these will be difficult questions. Okay. So it's coordinate symmetric or some part coming into linear inequalities. Okay. So question number 1. So it says y equals to 2x minus 5. Easy question. 2y equals to 5x minus 3. Just write down the questions first. I'll write down 10 questions and then we start off. 4y equals to minus 3x plus 8, and then I'll give you a challenger as well. Two challenges maybe. Minus 3y equals to 6x minus 1. 5 is minus 2y equals to minus 5x plus 3. Then 6 is 4y equals to 12x minus 11. Then you have 2y equals to 11 plus 2x. Question number 8. Now from 8 onwards, 8, 9 and 10 is going to be a challenger. That's going to be 1 over 4y equals to 1 over 2x minus 3. These are challengers. It's absolutely okay. Let's call this challenger 1. That's 2 over 5y equals to minus 5 over 2x plus 12. That's challenger number 2. And the last challenger is going to be question number 10, challenger 3. That's going to be 3 over 4x minus 3 over 4y equals to 18. Now, these are a few questions that we have to work on. I write down their answers, just copy down the questions first, try and understand, listen, and start. So, answer number 1. It says y equals to 2x minus 5. I have to check if the gradient, if the coefficient of y is 1. If it is, this means that y is the subject of the formula. The number attached, 2x, is going to be your gradient. So, gradient is 2, and the y-intercept with the sign is minus 5. Do all of you understand this?
Yes.
Answer number 2. Now you have to make sure, I'll write down the question here again, 2y equals to 5x minus 3. Now you'll have to check, always check if the coefficient of y is 1. If the coefficient of y is not 1, then you'll have to take this 2 away to the other sides, right? Y को इधर ही रहने देते हैं, 5 upon 2x minus 3 over 2. Yes or no? You can write it down as 2.5x minus 1.5, but I would tell you to stick to fractions only. Even if you write it down in decimal, that's okay. The answer would not be wrong. So the gradient is now, once you've made y the subject, that is the coefficient of y becomes 1. The gradient is the number fraction letter attached to x. So gradient is 5 over 2. And the y-intercept is with the sign, it is minus 3 over 2. Do all of you agree?
Yes.
Now, answer number 3. I will copy down the question for answer number 3. So, it's 4y equals to minus 3x and plus 8. Now, uh, take the 4 away. So, if I take the 4 away, it's going to be y equals to, and why am I taking the 4 away? Because I have to make y the subject. So, y equals to, every term on the right hand side is going to be divided by 4. So, it's minus 3x over 4 plus 8 over 4. Those terms that can be simplified should be simplified. Those that cannot be must be put down as fractions. That's my recommendation. If you want to go ahead with decimals, okay. But my recommendation is fractions. Now that you've made y the subject, can you tell me what is the gradient here? The gradient is the fraction attached with the sign with x. And now for the y-intercept, 4 one times and 4 two times. If it is a fraction that is simplifiable, that is reducible, please reduce down your answers and give your answer as 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Answer number 4. So you have a minus 3y. All of you, pay attention on answer number 4. Question number 4 is very important. So this is the first time you're dealing with a negative sign with y. Now, when you take this minus sign away, the whole logic is to divide the whole equation, every term in the equation, by minus 3. So minus minus gone, 3 and 3 gone. Y is on the left hand side. You need to understand your minus 3y here, and you're taking minus 3 to the other side. You will divide it by minus 3. The sign does not change. The sign changes when it is being added or subtracted on the left hand side, goes to the other side, then only it will change sign. If it is, if there's a negative number being multiplied by y and you're taking it on the other side, it will not change signs. Okay. So 3 one times and 3 two times minus 2x. What do you think, all of you? And minus and minus will give you a plus. Yes or no? Minus 2x plus 1 over 3. Do all of you agree?
Yes.
Yes. So it's minus 2x plus 1 over 3. Now, whoever has to enter who is not in the class, please message me first so that I can let you enter. I'm not going to disturb my class. Once you've made sure that y is the subject, can you take out the gradient, please?
Minus 2.
And the y-intercept?
1 upon 3.
1 upon 3. Next is answer number 5. I hope all of you are copying this down. It's minus 2y equals to minus 5x plus 3. Now you need to understand that you take this minus 2 to the other side. it will be dividing every term on the other side by a minus 2. So minus 5x over minus 2 plus 3 over minus 2, right? If the signs are simplifiable, reducible, reduce them. Y equals to 5 over 2 x. Now this plus and this minus will become plus minus is minus 3 over 2. Yes or no? Now once you've made sure that the subject of the formula is y, what is the gradient here? That's 5 over 2. And what is the y-intercept here? With the sign is minus 3 over 2. With the sign. Will you remember this, all of you?
Yes.
Now answer number 6. Let's start off with answer number 6 here. I'll send you this file, don't worry. So 4y equals to 12x minus 11. Now you take the 4 away, that's 12x over 4 minus 11 over 4. If it is simplifiable, simplify it. 4 1 times and 4 3 times. So the equation that you have is y equals to 3x minus 11. Now that you've made sure that the coefficient of y is 1, that is, you've made y the subject, what is the gradient? 3. And what is the y-intercept? That's minus 11. Do all of you understand this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Answer number 7. So 2y equals to 11 plus 2x. That's the question. Now you need to understand this equation is not rearranged. It is not arranged in the formula y equals to mx plus c. There's somebody who's messaged. Hold on. Talha. Okay. Talha, what do I do about you? Okay. Ready, all of you? Now you take the 2 away. So y is 11 over 2 plus 2x over 2, right? Ali, can you simplify any of these? 2 and 2 gone. The equation you have is 11 over 2 plus x. Yes or no, all of you? Now,
Yes.
can you find out the gradient? Please look very carefully. Gradient is the coefficient of x. X के साथ जो number, x के साथ जो number.
सर 1 नहीं होगा?
1. Very good. Yes, it is rearranged. X बाद में लिखा हुआ है, पहले नहीं लिखा हुआ. But then again, the gradient is the coefficient attached to x. And what is c, sir? C is the constant.
सर 11 upon 2.
11 over 2. Next is answer number 8. Now, answer number 8 is going to be a challenger. I will not do question number 10. You will try and do it at home and we'll discuss it in class, in the next class. So it's 1 over 4y equals to 1 over 2x minus 3, right? Now, Ali, what do I do, sir? I have to remove the whole of 1 over 4. I'm doing it. मैं आप लोग के लिए बहुत वो कर देता हूँ.
Sir, we would send 4 to 1
No, you
upon
will send
2x
4 to
minus
the other
3.
side, Ali.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I would. Okay, so Ali says because 4 is dividing by 4 when you take it to the other side, it's going to be multiplied by the first term and the second term. Is he correct, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
So it's
Yes.
half x into 4. I'm इतना डिटेल में कर रहा हूँ. Next time आप बड़े हो जाओगे तो डायरेक्ट कर लेना. And then 3 into 4. Understood? So y would then become 2 1 times and 2 2 times. You have 2x minus 3 to 4 is 12. Once you've made sure that the y is the subject, the coefficient of y is 1, what is the number attached to x?
Sir 2
That's 2. The gradient is 2. And what is the y-intercept?
minus 12.
That's a minus 12. Okay. However, if those who confused, I'm doing an alternate way of uh, giving you the answer. That's 1 over 4y. I'm writing down the question again. That's half x minus 3. So you need to understand 1 upon 4 से y multiply हो रहा है. वहाँ जाके 1 upon 4 से every term would be divided. So half x would be divided by 1 over 4. Separately minus 3 divided by 1 over 4. Right? Now, can you change the negative sign into a positive sign, into a multiplication? Sorry, can you change the division sign into a multiplication sign? Multiplied by
Yes.
reciprocate हो जाता है, right? That's 4 over 1. Do all of you agree?
सर को मेरी
Minus,
Yes.
फेक आईडी से क्लास में सर को मेरी फेक आईडी से क्लास में आया था
अच्छा, एक मिनट hold on. Kala, I guess he's gone.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Kala. Thank you for being so prompt.
Hmm.
So 3 into 4 over 1, yes or no? Now, can I simplify? Say 2 1 times and 2, 2 times. So y is equals to 2x minus 3 into 4 is 12. So the answer is the same, right? But I've given you
सर
an
आपकी स्क्रीन
explanation.
नहीं आ रही.
Your screen isn't there.
Oh, hold on. Share. Are you seeing the screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Ready? Now the answer is the same, but थोड़ा सा एक different method कराया था. Whatever you're comfortable with, you need to understand. जो मैं कह रहा हूँ ठीक है, इसको follow करो. But if you think you can do the question using another method and you're comfortable with it, please choose that. I have no issues whatsoever. If your math is correct, choosing a different method or doing it differently or doing it doing the lengthier way, that's absolutely okay. You'll just have to work on speed then. Now, 2 upon 5y minus 5 upon, so I'll do answer number 9 here, right beneath the question. That's 2 over 5y equals to minus 5 over 2x plus 12. What do I do first? What do you think I should do first? I think I should take the 5 away, right? 2y को इधर ही रहने देते हैं. Minus 5 over 2x into 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Plus 12 into 5. So 2y equals to what is minus 5 into minus 5? In minus 5 into 5,
Minus 25.
minus 25 over 2x plus 12 into 5, please.
60.
60. Now I have to remove this 2. 2 यहाँ multiply हो रहा है, वहाँ जाके
Divide होगा.
divide हो जाएगा. So that's going to be y equals to minus 25x upon 2 divided by 2. Just for the sake of it. बाकी एक बात चीज़ बता दूंगा, याद रखना. Then 60 divided by 2. Right? Now y equals to minus 25x over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. What do you think? Yes or no? Plus
Yes.
60 over 2 is 30, right? 2 1 times and 2, 30 times. Now y equals to minus 25x over 4 plus 30. Once you've done that, what is the gradient, sir? This is the letter fraction attached to x. So minus 25 over 4. And what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is
30.
30. Do all of you understand all of this? I've recorded this. I'll be sharing it with you. Best of luck. Question number 10 is your challenger. Please try and do it at home, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much, boys and girls. Bye bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.